everybody.
Morning, folks.
It is Sunday, August
11?
11th.
Yep, 11.
And Debbie came through on Thursday, and we got like over 4 inches of rain just in that one day, right?
Yeah, it was one day we got like 4.5 inches.
Yeah, crazy. So,
luckily it was slow and steady, so we didn't get the big dump where it blows up the creek. It just kind of raised it a little bit over the ford. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, and it did get blocked a little bit, but he was able to get that fixed up. So.
Yep.
We did have 4 or 5 branches down on the pig's fence. You said one on the Trailer Girls fence. But we got all that cleaned up. No animals escaped, so everything was good. We're actually headed out. Mike's back at work full time, so we're headed out to move the pigs, move the chickens. There's some stuff in the garden I need to get done today. Yesterday we took a day off and did a family day. So today we're sucking it up and getting everything else done. I got a lot to do in the kitchen too, with like tomatoes and all that. So, all right, we're gonna get to getting, and yeah, come along with us.
So as we were saying, we didn't have too much damage really, but I did forget that this dogwood lost a pretty good sized branch. So we're going to have to get out here and get that cut up. And then down here at the creek it was flooded over, but he got that cleaned out, and it's running just fine. So overall, little Debbie didn't do too much damage to us. We did also get the pigs weighed, and so biscuits are larger one, estimated at 212, and gravy our smaller one, 180.
So the problem we're running into, so here's where they're at now, and we're moving them here. Mike's already got most of the posts up, but the problem that we're running into is our hose length. So we're trying to figure that out. You will gain some once the chickens are moved, and more of a direct path right here for the hose instead of over here like it is. So we're hoping that'll work. All we can do is try it. Y'all ready to come over here? Come on, Gravy.
Come on. Come on, Biggie.
Biscuits, come on, baby.
Come on, Biggs. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, Biggies. Come on, Biggie. Good Biggies.
While Mike finishes up with the pigs, I'm going to jump in here at the garden.
just like that, folks, tomato season is done. So up here at my tea garden, it's kind of crazy too. This bed right here is the worst for grass and stuff. We're going to regroup on this bed once it's done. I do have a sage plant still in there that I'm still harvesting because we use a lot of sage since we make our own breakfast sausage. This bed, I'm going to tear out that kale. It's bitter now. And cut down that comfrey. This bed, well, this bed probably just stay like it is until the end. But what I'm wanting to do is get some of this stuff cleared out, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plant the fall stuff that I wanted to plant. I'm just going to plant it up here. So it's right by the house, and I don't have to worry about going down to the big garden to water it or fertilize it. So there's plenty of room in this area here. Like I said, this bed here, and then over there in that bed, I will make some room. We'll do some cabbage, maybe 1 or 2 cabbages. We'll do some 1 or 2 bok choy, not bok choys, Brussels sprouts. That's what I was trying to think of. And one of these beds I'll put spinach in. Oregano is done. Thyme is kind of hanging on, barely. So, yeah, I'm just going to get these cleaned out and get my fall stuff planted. But first, I got to get these tomatoes up and get that stuff organized. These tomato plants up here, they're still producing. Can still get some off of it before we have to get rid of them. We'll see. Alright, let's get this booger up there. So I have some canning projects going on up in here. Some bone broth. I've got those peppers to put up. And so much more. So I want to thank you guys for watching as always. And like, subscribe, notifications please. It helps us out a lot. I'm going to leave you at the end of this video. Snow's, what are they called? Polish babies were born. So I'll leave you a little video of them and a picture of what their mom and dad look like, so you'll have an idea. Thanks again, guys. Bye.